I look like an actual ghost right now. Why is this making me look so white? Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be the least professional makeup video you've ever seen. So if you came here for a super beauty guru-y type video, you came to the wrong channel. Watch some of my other videos. I'm doing a makeup tutorial, a summer natural makeup tutorial, because I have a ton of like makeup and I have no idea how I got it. I'm gonna be working with what I have. I don't have a lot of things just because I don't really wear makeup that much. So I said I have a lot of makeup and I don't know how I got it. And then I said I don't have a lot of makeup because I don't do it that often. Right, that makes a lot of sense. So just go ahead and get right into it. So I have my giant mirror right here. So if you see me look over here, that's why. So first thing I'm going to do is just put on a headband. Oh, this is a look. The first thing I already did was I washed my face. I'm just putting on some moisturizer. This is just like a Cetaphil one with some sunscreen in it. And in the summertime you want to try, if you're going to put on a moisturizer, try to get one that has sunscreen in it. Just because you're going to be in the sun and you don't want to get sunburnt on your face. I put it on my neck a little bit too. I don't know if you're supposed to do that. Then I used this spray from Lush. A lot of people use a Mario Badescu one, but that one irritates my skin. Next, before I do anything, I do like my lips because my lips get really dry. So I use just like a lip scrub. The best part about these lip scrubs is that they taste amazing. But I'm pretty sure that when you do it, you like eat your dead skin, but it's fine. Okay. Moving on to the actual makeup. So the first thing I do is put on like a BB cream. If I'm wanting a little bit more fun, then I'll put on this. But I need to make sure this is my shade still. For some reason, I have not been getting like any sort of tan whatsoever. See how dark that is for me? So we're not going to be using this today. Literally like a white little hairless like mole, hairless cat, hairless rat. I don't know. I'll be using this like old foundation that I never use. And I'm going to be using that as a concealer. I usually just put one little dot under my eyes and on any like problem spots that I have because my skin is not very clear. This stuff smells like paint. I'm just taking this fake beauty blender. I don't really do much, but like you can tell my eyes look a little bit brighter. My skin isn't very oily, so I don't like to set anything. I like it to look nice and glowy, but if your skin is oily, you're definitely gonna want to set it. Next, I like to take some blush. This blush is really bad. And like I have to scrub it to get any of it to come off. But I kind of just put it everywhere because I don't really have bronzer. I also like to put a little bit like on my nose and like, I don't know. Oh, that dust flying everywhere. Okay, I'm gonna move on to eye stuff. I have had this eyeshadow for I don't even know how long. I don't even know how I got it in the first place. It's this little thing and I'm using this one right there. By the way, in this video, I forgot to say this earlier, probably doing everything wrong, but just let me live. Okay, thank you. I'm putting this like just right in my crease. Get off of this. Summer McKean taught me this, that if your eyes are blue, you want to use like orangey shades. Makes your blue eyes pop. Okay, so I'm done with like the little outer part. If you're using a glittery shade, if you spray your brush, it's going to pick up the glitter better. Now I'm just going to go back in with the first color I used, like the orangey color, and just put a little bit more in the crease just because I feel like I lost some of it when I put on the glitter. Alright, we're done with that. Now I'm doing some eyeliner, or not eyeliner, sorry, I don't do eyeliner. Now I'm doing mascara. I'm using Benefit Roller Lash. I know I said this in my shopping vlog. You should watch that after this video. Jeffree Star uses this, so that's literally why I got it. I got a baby one. Yeah, you can tell the difference. This mascara is very clumpy. This side, not a fan. Last thing you have to do is your lips. So I'm just using some NYX stuff. And that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.